Hi, I'm Miss Julie from Ada Community Library, and today I'll be telling you the story of the Minecraft Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time there was a villager who lived alone in a tiny house at the edge of a village. He wore a green tunic, which was the customary costume of nitwit villagers. He thought about how nice it would be to have a friend to share his house with, but there was no room in his tiny house for another villager. The nitwit decided to make a friend out of gingerbread. What an interesting idea! So he came up with his very own recipe. On a crafting table he combined wheat for the body, cocoa beans for eyes, and sweet berries for buttons. Now, should I sweeten this cookie with sugar, he thought, or should I spice it up with some suspicious stew? Suspicious stew, I think, which was another interesting idea. So the villager tossed the raw cookie dough into a cauldron with a bowl of suspicious stew, which can have all sorts of interesting effects. Then the nitwit villager smelted the raw gingerbread man in a furnace, just like this. But before he could put the cookie into his inventory, the gingerbread man jumped up out of the furnace and onto the bed, and then he began to run through the cottage shouting, "Don't eat me! Don't eat me!" "Stop!" the villager yelled. "I don't want to eat you. I just want to be your friend." But the gingerbread man ran out the door calling, "Run, run, as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man!" The gingerbread man came upon a jungle biome and saw a pig. "Stop!" said the pig. But the gingerbread man called out, "Run, run, as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man! I've run away from a villager, and I can run from you, I can!" The pig chased the gingerbread man, but the gingerbread man tapped the control key and shot off at double speed. The gingerbread man ran through a savanna biome and saw a cow. "Moo! Stop!" said the cow, but the gingerbread man called out, "Run, run, as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man! I've run away from a villager and a pig, and I can run from you, I can!" The cow chased the gingerbread man, but the gingerbread man ran too fast for him. The gingerbread man ran through a plains biome and saw a horse. "Nay, stop!" said the horse, but the gingerbread man called out, "Run, run, as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man! I've run away from a villager and a pig and a cow, and I can run from you, I can!" The horse chased the gingerbread man, but the gingerbread man was too fast. Then he came upon a taiga biome where a fox was sitting on a riverbank. "If I try to swim across this river, I'll get soggy because I'm only a cookie," said the gingerbread man. "Oh, jump on my tail and I'll take you across," said the fox, and he licked his lips. This frightened the gingerbread man, so he turned and started home just as fast as his legs could carry him. He passed the horse in the plains biome. "Nay, run home!" He passed the cow in the savanna biome. "Moo, run home!" He passed the pig in the jungle biome. "Run home!" And then the gingerbread man ran right straight into the nitwit villager's house. "Welcome home!" cried the nitwit villager, and they lived happily ever after. Oh, will you look at that? Well, I suppose this must be the end.